My video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called Defi. My video is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware. I am not promoting this ransomware either. In my video, I will just show you the damaging effect of this ransomware on the files, and I will give you some recommendations on how you can possibly recover the files, even though I cannot guarantee that I will help you to recover them. Before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open your files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this Defi ransomware may be very easily injected into the system. So very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data because of this Defi ransomware. The ransomware encrypts files and damages them, and as a consequence it is just impossible to use the files anymore. Then the ransomware called Defi tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. But paying the ransom is obviously not a good idea. Do not waste your money and do not pay that ransom, despite the suggestions by the Defi ransomware. So paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this horrible ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus such as Combo Cleaner, which you may get on the website combocleaner.com. So through either of your available browsers, go to the website combocleaner.com. In our case, we are getting there from the Google Chrome browser. So go to the website combocleaner.com, download the software Combo Cleaner Antivirus and Anti-Ransomware, install the software, and then once it is successfully installed, start investigating your computer with its help in order to detect and remove this ransomware and other threats. After you start Combo Cleaner, the application will most likely first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of all possible threats that could be on your computer. Pay attention to the fact that Combo Cleaner is available for all popular operating systems: Mac, Windows, Android, and iOS. So after you click on the Start Scan button, the antivirus database will be updated first of all, and then the scanning will begin. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how many hard drives are available. It may depend on the system parameters of your computer. Finally, at the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the infections which were found on your system. Based on the summary of threats, you'll be able to know the information about the locations of threats. Some threats can be removed manually, but definitely I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. With premium license, for instance, there is an excellent anti-ransomware feature which helps to always keep your data protected. You can add certain folders on your system, and the contents of these folders will be always under the protection against ransomware attacks. And Combo Cleaner works extremely and exceptionally well when it comes to identifying contemporary threats like adware, ransomware, all sorts of annoying pop-ups. Combo Cleaner fixes browser redirection issues. And definitely, what is exceptionally valuable, Combo Cleaner is able to protect your data, all your cherished and valuable information that you store on your hard drive. So use Combo Cleaner for cleaning your system and for protecting your system against all types of malware.